Are you a Fort Smith area homeowner looking to get some sod installed at your residence? I'm Mike. I'm the owner here at Riverview Turf Works, Fort Smith's local residential outdoor living landscaping company. Today, we started a sod job along with a few other things in the backyard, but I just wanted to point out that if your sod replacement does not look something like this, it's not getting prepped properly. So we're going to take all the existing vegetation out, pile it up in a big old pile. It's going to have a little bit of dirt mixed in with it, but most of it's existing vegetation, weeds, grass, whatever was in there. Then we're going to haul that off. Then we're going to go back over this, smooth it out several times with our Harley rake. It's a grading tool on a skid steer. Smooths it out really well, creates a nice seed bed for the sod roots to adhere to easily. Then we'll install sod. And as you can see, we got flags out here in the yard already marking some important things. So these are couple boxes that we want to miss. We also have all the sprinkler heads marked. There's a couple right there you can see. So we mark all these before we do the job, test the sprinkler system out, make sure it's working properly so that we know if we damage anything or not. After we're done, we'll turn it back on. If anything that was working before is no longer working, well then we damaged it. We'll fix it for you at no cost to you, of course, because we did it. And yeah, fresh new lawn, good to go. If this is something that interests you, or just general landscaping work, we do all things residential landscaping, flower beds, paver patios, sprinkler systems, drainage work, landscape lighting, flower beds, that sort of thing. Give us a shout, 479-235-1390, riverviewturfworks.com. Spell something together.